Hi guys, this will be a quick video, and I want to show you another way you can construct a relatively inexpensive DIY belt squat setup. And this time I'll be using an Everlast heavy bag stand. And this is my Everlast heavy bag stand. And when I bought this, it only cost me $100, but I looked on Amazon, they're like $159 now. But they're selling used ones for $109. So apparently someone bought it and returned it, and they gave it a discount. But even $109 is not bad for this stand, especially if you like to beat on a heavy bag, which is a great cardio workout, and which you can use to kick with and practice your knee strikes and elbow strikes if you're in the martial arts. But anyway, what I did, as you can see, I constructed 3 platforms. 2 of the platforms has 4 16 by 8 by 4 inch solid concrete blocks. So at $3 a block, and I've seen them on sale for $2, but I bought mine for $3. That's $12 per stack for the first 2 stacks. So that's $24. And then the platform for the loading pin, there's 8 concrete blocks, and all I did is to put 2 blocks together for 1 layer, and then that's 4 layers times 2, that's 8, and 8 times 3 is $24. So $48 for this setup, and that's in addition to the cost of the Everlast heavy bag stand. And I have a loading pin, and I have it loaded with 6 25-pound plates. So let me show you how I use it. So I'm using a Titan Fitness Squat Max MD belt, and I have many ways to do belt squats. And I was once asked by Zugi 1964, why don't I just use the Squat Max MD? And the reason why is because each way I do belt squat has a different feel. As Vladimir Zeskiorsky said, you have to keep changing or varying your exercises to prevent accommodation from occurring, because your body will get accustomed to it. So I try to switch it up. It's just like doing bench presses with a cambered bar or bamboo bar, or with a multi-grip bar, axle bar, Olympic bar, dumbbells. I do bench presses with a slam ball or kettlebells. It gives a different feel, and it helps me vary my routine. And it's the same thing with belt squats. I'm just trying to change my routine. So I'm just going to hook it up. And this is a little bit more difficult to get on than the Stamina PT 1690, so I have to lean in when I step on the concrete platforms, like this. And then I'm going to push myself off, like doing a push-up, incline push-up. I hang on to the bar. Okay, I'm in position, so now I'm just going to do a belt squat. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slide my hands down and grab the stand. And as you can see, I can get well below parallel. And this provides me the balance support I need. And I can get really deep with this. And there you go. When I'm done, I just lean back, and by doing so, I'm putting the loading pin over the platform. I just lower it and step off. I'm done. Okay, like I said, I have many ways I can do belt squat, but each way I do belt squat, it affects my legs differently. I'm hitting it from different angles because I'm using different methods. So even though I have a Titan Fitness Squat Max MD, I still do DIY belt squats. I still do belt squats with my Black Widow platforms on my Titan Fitness T3 Power Rack. And like I said, I do belt squats using different methods because I like the way it hits my legs differently from different angles. So I still do belt squats with my Titan Fitness Squat Max MD, but I'll also do it using my Black Widow platforms on my T3 half rack from Titan Fitness, and I'll do it on my Swedish ladder, and I'll do it on my Stamina PT 1690 pull-up stand, and I'll do it with my Elite Fitness landmine belt squat attachment, and so on. Okay, just some information that might help somebody. Safety is, of course, always paramount. And here's a disclaimer: anything that you do, you assume all risk and liabilities for, because this is what I do. I'm showing you what I do, so this is just for informational purposes only. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.